Hello, kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Growth again. And during week 5, we are learning about plants. So I wanted to read to you a story written by Greg Smidley, and it is called The Parts of a Plant. So we are going to become plant experts and learn what the different parts of a plant are and what the jobs of the plant are, because each part of the plant has a different special job. Let's read and find out. These are the roots. The roots are like a straw. The roots drink water from the dirt. So what is the job of the roots? Let's think about what we just read. Their job is to be like a straw and to drink or pull the water out of the dirt or the soil. The roots are under the dirt and help hold the plant in place. So the roots have two jobs. The roots help keep the plant in place, keep it stable in the soil. See how they spread out underneath the plant, and to be like a straw to bring the water up to the rest of the plant. This is the stem. The stem brings water to the rest of the plant. So the roots pull the water out of the soil, but the stem's job is to move it all the way up to the rest of the plant. The stem also has another job, friends, and the stem helps hold the plant up so it does not fall over. So it has two jobs, to move the water up and to help hold the plant up. What's this part called again? The stem. Stem. Great job, friends. These are the leaves. The leaves catch the sunlight. So that is the special job of the leaves, is to catch the sunlight. And if you happen to have plants at home near a window, you might notice after a few days, the leaves start to bend towards the window, towards the sunlight, so that every couple days I have to rotate my plants so that way the plant, all the leaves aren't pulling towards the sunshine, to keep the plant looking more even. So the leaves make food from the sunshine that the leaves catch. The leaves use the sunlight to make food for the plant. There's a very special word for that, and it's called photosynthesis. The leaves are green because it has chlorophyll in there, and it's a special process where the food, sunlight, is transformed into food for the plant. This is the flower. The flower makes seeds for new plants. So the flower's job is to create more plants, whether they make seeds or the pollen. There's all different ways that it helps to create more plants. There we go. My book is hard to turn the pages. The flower is pretty, so bees and butterflies will visit. They take the seeds and the pollen to make new flowers. So the pollen is the yellow dust that you sometimes see on plants, and the pollen gets on bees and butterflies. It gets on their body, and then when they go and visit another plant, the pollen from each of the plants mix together, and that's called pollination, and that's what helps create more plants. And that is the end. So can you think of a couple, well, what was the story all about? Let's think about the main idea. That's right, this story was all about the different parts of the plant. So that was the big idea, the different parts of the plant and their job. And then what were some of the parts that we learned about? That's right, we learned about the leaves. Yeah, we learned about roots that go down into the dirt. What's that thing called that helps hold the plant stand up straight and pulls water up to the rest of the plant? That's right, that's the stem. And then the flower. Great job. The flower helps create seeds for new plants. It can also create fruit. So it either creates fruit or seeds. And so like an apple tree, the flowers turn from the apple blossom and then becomes, once it gets pollinated, it becomes the apple. And the apple has the seed inside of it. And that's how we get more apple trees. Very good. Is this a made-up story or is this a true fact story? That's right. This is a teaching book. Kiss your brain if you said it was nonfiction. This is a teaching book, and it's teaching us all about plants. Excellent. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. I hope you look around outside and you name some different parts of a plant. See you soon.